Good morning and welcome to the listing ceremony of OTS Holdings Limited on SGX Catalist. We would like to extend a warm welcome to OTS Holdings management team, employees and partners, and are delighted to be celebrating the significant milestone with them. Established in 1993, OTS Holdings Limited is a brand builder and food manufacturing group with a strong niche in ready-to-eat and ready-to-cook meat products with key markets in Singapore and Malaysia. The listing of OTS Holdings Limited will provide investors with another opportunity to participate in the long-term growth prospects of the consumer sector. Without further ado, let us introduce Mr. Mohammed Nasir Ismail, Global Head of Equity Capital Markets, Global Sales and Origination of SingaporeExchange, to say a few words.
On behalf of SGX, our heartiest congratulations to OTS Holdings Limited on your successful listing on Catalist. Today marks an important and memorable milestone for your company, and we are delighted to welcome you to SGX. Established in 1993, OTS Holdings is one of the major ready-to-eat and ready-to-cook meat product manufacturers in Singapore. The company has a multi-category, multi-brand product portfolio, catering to different customer tastes and price points. Its flagship brands, Golden Bridge and Catalist, are familiar household names. It has also expanded into the growing halal food market with a prominent retail brand, El Dina, and a food service brand, Kismik. Its commitment to innovation has led to a continuous development of new products targeting new markets. Today's listing is the start of OTS Holdings' journey with SGX. We hope you will make use of the listing platform to capture your growth opportunities as you improve your production capacities, develop new products, and expand overseas. Thank you, OTS Holdings, for choosing to list on SGX. We are proud to be able to provide an international platform for you to diversify and broaden your investor base and further increase your profile in the region. Once again, congratulations on this significant achievement, and we wish you all the very best for your growth journey ahead. Let me now pass the time to Mr. Ong B. Chip, Managing Director of OTS Holdings.
Thank you, Nasir. Good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining us in this corporate milestone for OTS Holdings Limited. More importantly, it's a tribute to our co-founder and my late father, Mr. Ong Tuan Seng. Almost 30 years ago, he came up with the idea of creating XOY Chinese sausage. And he had also created our heritage brand, Golden Bridge. From one single product and one single brand, we have grown to more than 1,100 SKUs across 13 main product types under our 6 house brands, targeting both halal and non-halal consumer segments. Our brand Golden Bridge and Catalist have become household names in Singapore and Malaysia. Our achievements so far would not be possible without the support and trust of our team, colleagues, and business partners who have helped us in our journey. We are now starting our next chapter as a listed company, and we will continue to use our passion and commitment to build more values for our stakeholders. As we are celebrating our listing today, we will look toward our vision to develop a portfolio of popular consumer brands and to become an innovative market leader in the region. Thank you very much.
The countdown to the listing of OTS Holdings begins. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Congratulations again to OTS Holdings on your successful listing. We wish you all the best at the next stage of your growth. Thank you everyone for joining us in celebrating this milestone.